I asked Paul this morning if he wanted to take a run around our neighborhood, and he said, Mom, let's go to the nature preserve. And I'm so glad we did this instead. It's beautiful here, and he's such a naturalist. It's fun to come to places like this with him because he spots everything. I'll have to show you some of the things that he spotted today.
A snake.
What kind do you think it is?
Garter snake.
You gonna run with it?
No. I'll stay somewhere here.
Nobody else could make a world so beautiful.